Today, I watched one video where a trader claimed that he makes six figures from a single trade using this MACD strategy. So I watched the full video carefully and understood all conditions and thought, why not create an indicator using AI that combines all these conditions automatically for you? Because manually checking all these conditions again and again on charts takes too much time. So in this video, I will create the indicator step by step using ChatGPT and pinescript. And yes, you will also get this indicator code for free. So watch this full video carefully because I will also show you how can you get access many other indicators created by me. Now first, let's understand the strategy properly. In this strategy, the main indicator he is using is the MACD. And according to him, there are mainly three important conditions. Histogram divergence, second zero line retest, third divergence plus support or resistance or divergence plus Bollinger Bands. First condition, first condition, the MACD histogram should be expanding, meaning for a buy signal, the green histogram should continuously increase in size, and for sell signals, the red histogram bars should continuously expand downward. Second conditions, MACD should retest on zero line, meaning for buy trades, meaning for buy trades, MACD should move back above the zero line after temporary weakness. And for sell trades, MACD should move back below the zero line after temporary bullish movement. So basically, it is trying to catch continuation entries after a small pullback near the zero line. Third condition is divergence. According to the strategy, if divergence happens in histogram price is near support, then it becomes a valid buy signal. Or if the divergence happens, price moves on, or if divergence happens and price moves Bollinger Bands, then also it becomes a valid buy signal. And opposite conditions for sell trades, meaning if divergence bearish happens near resistance or price moves outside upper Bollinger Band, then it becomes a valid sell signal. So after understanding all these conditions, let's create this indicator using AI. First, we will create the histogram expansion condition. So now I will put this prompt into ChatGPT. Create a pinescript version 6 MACD strategy condition where buy signal happens if current MACD histogram is greater than previous histogram and sell signal happens if current histogram is lower than previous histogram plot buy and sell labels on chart. And ChatGPT generated this code. Now let me copy this and open the Pine editor. Let me create new indicator. Let me paste the code and add to chart. You can see here this is giving for all the bars. We want only buy signal on only green candles and sell signals on the red candles. I mean red histogram. So I will say to ChatGPT only consider green histogram and for sale only consider red histogram. ChatGPT generated this code. Now I will copy this and update it. Now you can see it is working properly according to our conditions. Sell signal coming on red histogram if it is expanding, and buy signal is coming it only on green histogram if it is expanding. Now let's move to the second condition. Now we need now we need to create the zero line retest logic. So to make ChatGPT understand properly, I will define my own logic clearly in prompt. Now let me enter prompt into ChatGPT. Create pinescript logic where buy signal happens when MACD crosses above zero line and MACD cross under signal line happened above zero line within last 10 candles. Create opposite sell logic where MACD crosses below zero line and MACD cross over signal line happened below zero line within last 10 candles. Okay, code generated. Let me apply this in TradingView. Okay, you can see here code is updated and added to the chart. So we'll check its conditions working properly or not. You can see here MACD cross over the zero line and in previous 10 candles cross under what's happened. So it given buy signal. Here you can see a MACD cross over zero line and in previous 10 candles cross under was happened. Now we will check sell condition. You can see here sell signal is appearing. So we will check condition. You can see MACD is cross under zero line and crossover was happened in last 10 candles. So sell signal is correct. So it is working according to our conditions. Now let's move to the important conditions divergence. First, instead of directly combining everything into one script, I want to separately test whether ChatGPT can properly create MACD histogram divergence detection or not. So in another new chat, I will ask ChatGPT to create only MACD histogram divergence code. Prompt: create bullish and bearish divergence detection using MACD histogram in pinescript version 6. Plot bullish divergence by labels and bearish divergence sell labels. Then we will test it separately on chart. You can see ChatGPT generated the code. So I will copy it and paste it into Pine editor. You can see sell signal is here coming. So we can check here divergence is not correctly. Let me check again. Where buy signal is coming. Divergence here is coming. For verify, we will check it. Chart. So ChatGPT updated this code. We will check it out. Copy and update. So we can verify if ChatGPT generated divergence code is correctly working or not. You can see here it is compared this histogram with the this histogram, which is incorrect. So for sale, this histogram is incorrect. So what we will do, we will take RSI divergence, we will take RSI divergence indicator code and copy it and guide to the ChatGPT. The code. So ChatGPT is making the code. Now we will add to the ChatGPT, sorry, in the Pine editor. So it is giving signals totally incorrectly. So what I will do, date, histogram value, code, keep as it is dated code. Give me updated code. Let me try new chat. Okay, I will create a new chat and open RSI divergence again. I think we can copy directly from this. Now we will see how ChatGPT will generate code. We will take full code. We will copy it and apply it and check it. Now you can see it is looking correctly now. Let me verify it. Here you can see histogram. These two histograms are compared and sale signal is coming. Let me check again sell more. So you can check here two small histograms difference and price is up going upside but divergence going downside. So it is going giving sell signal. Here you can see it is going downside and price upside. So it is giving sell signal. We will check for buy signal also. You can check it here divergence happening and price is going downside so buy is giving. So now perfectly divergence is working. So what we will do, we will merge all these codes in the main indicator. So what was our main indicator? Here. So first we will combine about two indicators and new histogram expansion condition also. So combine above both script for one buy and sell signal and also add my city divergence code H code to verify buy sell signal. So we will see what will happen. So ChatGPT understood, I think, finally by signal histogram increasing histogram and MC crosses the above line. The line recent bullish MSD histogram divergence. So ChatGPT understood all the conditions and I think ChatGPT generated right code. So we will see. So we will take full updated code. So ChatGPT is saying it cannot fully merge because our divergence script is big. So we will take only above both scripts by combining manually. So it is combine MACD pullback plus histogram momentum signal. It also guided me how to add divergence confirmation later. So first we will copy this main code and we will go to the Pine editor and paste here. It is plotting MACD lines. That's the reason it is not correctly. So we will delete MACD code, MACD lines. So we will again add to the chart. So you can see how buy signal is coming. Here you can see MACD cross above the zero line, pullback was happen, and expansion is also happening. So buy signal is correct. We will check another one signal. Buy signal correct. We will check out sell signal. Is there any sell signal? Here you can see sell signal. You can see sell signal is coming cross under here under to zero line crossover was happening and expansion is going on, so sell is correct. So we will add these conditions to add the divergence. Sorry, this. So let me add our divergence code. Let me copy this and paste it. So we will paste above it. So what we will do, we will remove plotting because we are in the upper side window. We don't need plot, otherwise chart will not look good. We already confirm it is correctly working on separate code. We don't plot EMSCD also. So I think we have added all the things. Sorry, I forget to remove this. So it is done. We will check it is working or not. Okay, MSCD is already generated. So we will remove this MSCD code. We will update it. Code is updated. We'll check it out where signal is appearing. Here no one signal is coming because we added strictly. So we will add this condition. So it will be remain valid for many candles. So we will update this code. So code is updated. Now we will check signals. Here you can see buy signal is coming. Already two conditions, first expansion and zero line condition tested. We will check here buy signal. You can see here divergence was here. This confirm this divergence, this smallest divergence, because we use 30 candles, so it is not 30 candles, so it is given correctly by signal. You can reduce 30 to 5 candles, 15 candles to see is it working or not, or you can use it according to your strategy. You can see here sell signal is coming and divergence was little small, or here you can see divergence. So this type of signals are coming. So everything working properly. So now we successfully created this MACD strategy into indicator using AI and ChatGPT. But wait, this indicator is not fully completed according to that trader original strategy. Be- because in next part 2 video, we will add remaining confirmation filters like support and resistance filters, Bollinger Bands confirmation to improve signal quality. So make sure to subscribe to the channel because in next video we will complete this indicator fully step by step. And if you want to access this code, and you can see in indicator section, you will see hundreds of Algo tools indicators. You can use it. Like and share this video. See you in the next video.